Giraffe sometimes introduces limited-time promotions around seasonal events, but holiday bonuses are never guaranteed for every user or every region. By the end of this video, you'll know what a Giraffe holiday bonus usually looks like, where to check for it, and how to avoid missing an eligible offer. The first thing to understand is that holiday promotions are temporary. If Giraffe launches a special event, you'll usually find it inside the app through a banner, featured offer, event page, or rewards section. That's the only place you should rely on when checking whether a holiday bonus is available for your account. If a promotion appears, read every requirement before you start playing. Some offers only apply to selected games, while others may require you to install a featured game through Giraffe during the promotion. If you continue playing a game that isn't part of the event, you may not qualify for any additional rewards even if you're active throughout the holiday period. Another detail worth checking is the promotion's time limit. Holiday events typically have a start date and an end date. Completing a task before the event begins or after it expires may not count toward the bonus, even if you complete the same activity. Checking the event details first can save you from spending time on tasks that aren't eligible. Be careful with videos or social media posts claiming that everyone receives a holiday bonus. Promotions can vary by account, region, or promotional campaign. A screenshot from another user doesn't confirm that your account has the same offer. Always verify the promotion directly inside your own Giraffe account before assuming it's available. If you believe you completed every requirement but didn't receive the bonus, restart the app and allow it to sync your progress. Then review the promotion details again to confirm you met every condition. If everything looks correct and the reward still doesn't appear, contact Giraffe support with screenshots of the promotion and any relevant reward information so they can review your account. The easiest way to stay updated is to check the app regularly during major holiday periods and enable notifications if you want to hear about new promotions as soon as they're available. That helps you catch limited-time events before they expire. The key points are simple. Holiday bonuses can happen, but they aren't permanent features. They may not be available to every user, and the official app is the best place to verify them. Check the requirements before you play, keep records if you qualify, and contact support if a valid reward doesn't appear. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Giraffe tips, updates, and troubleshooting videos.